Hello everybody, a warm welcome to today's video lecture. It is raining today after a long spell of hot weather. So, as you can see on the board, today we will be discussing about traditional number naming system. And by traditional I mean the number naming system that is used in my native country or home country, which is Bangladesh. Now, as you can see, the number naming system has been depicted in our table. And as you can see, on the extreme right corner, we have units followed by tens, hundreds, and so on. Now, the first three places of a number, they have the same name as the one which is used internationally. For instance, unit, tens and hundreds. Now let us explain each of the places one by one. Starting from the extreme left corner of a number, we have what? We have the units place. And in this units place, we can have digits from 0 to 9. And only the unit place is utilized while expressing number having a single digit. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the name of the digit, I take that back. The name of the number having single digit is the same as the digit itself. For example, what name do we call this digit? 1. And if I have only 1 in the units place, the number so formed will also be called 1. Using only the unit place, I can express numbers from 0 to 9. But if I want to express number from 10 to 99, I have to utilize the first two places, which is unit and tens. And the numbers having two digits, they are not known by the intrinsic value of the digits being used. Rather, they have special names. For example, 1, 2. What do I call? Do I call this number 2 or 1? No, I don't call them by the names of the intrinsic digits. Rather, they have a special name, which is 12. Again, suppose I have a number 13. Sorry, 1, 3. Do I call this number by its intrinsic? Do I call it by the name of its digits, that is 1 and 3. No, I have a special name for it, which is 30, and so on. Similarly, moving further, we have which place? We have hundreds place. And in this hundreds place, I can express number ranging from 100 to 999. And same as in the tens place, the numbers having 3 digits, they are given a special name. For example, 101. I don't call this number by 101. I call it 101. Now moving on to the fourth and fifth place, or at first moving on to the fourth place, what do I have? I have 1000. So if I have a number such as this, 5655, I call it what? 5655. After 1000, as I hop over, I have a new unit which is called Ojut, A-J-J-U-T. It is commonly used in Bangladesh. It is not used anywhere else in the world. So this is called what? The fifth number, fifth place is called Ojut. Now if I have a number in the Ojut place, I don't call it by this many Ojuts and so on. Rather, I couple it with the 1000 place and call it this many thousands. For example, here I have 5 digits. This is in the units place, this is in the tens place, this is in the hundreds place, this is in the thousands place, and this is in the ojuts place. So I could have called 5 ojuts 6553, but no, that is not done. Rather, this ojut digit place or ojut place is absorbed into the thousands and it is read as so many thousands. So what do I have here actually? 56,553. wujud, on the 6th place we have something which is called lakh. And if you have any digit in the lakh place, that number is read as this many lakhs. For instance, this number, how many digits it has? It has 6 digits. So this 5, the 6th digit, it falls under the column of lakh. So it is read as what? 5 lakh. This 6 2 falls on 1000, 62,253. Similarly, after the lakh, on the 7th place we have nijut. For example, if I give you this number 5 7 2 3 4 5, let us check whether it has 7 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, there is one less. This 5, it is the 7th digit starting from the extreme right. Now you could have read it as 5 nijut, this many lakh, but no, that is not how it is read. Rather, like the wujud, this nijut is absorbed into the lakhs place, and I read it as so many lakhs. So let's see how many lakhs it has. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh nijut. So this is actually 57 lakh 23,452. Let's read it again. Yes, 57 lakh 23,452. Now hopping over to the last place, that is the 8th place, we have something which is called crore. Okay, so let us have an example of a number expressed in crores. It must be a number having 8 digits. Let us be clear about that. 6 5 3 2 8 7 9. Let's see how many digits it has. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have one less. So it is read as how many? 6 crore 53 lakh 28,791. Let's take it again. Yes, 6 crore 53,020. It is read as 6 crore 53 lakh 28,791. And if you have digits or numbers having digits after the 8th place, it is possible. Then that digits are actually absorbed in crore and read as follows. Now, while explaining this example, you must have realized, or you must have actually recognized one thing. I was stumbling while reading the digits, whether it is lakh, crore, thousands, etc., etc. So many digits actually created confusion. So how to overcome that confusion? Well, one scheme of things or one general idea is to put commas in between the digits. And in our country, there is also a definite rule where to put the commas. So I will now show how to put the commas and where to put them. But as you can see, I have run out of word space, so I will take a brief interlude and then I will introduce the comma system. Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see, in the first example, I have numbers reading from the extreme right, 5 2 5 6 5. Now I have put some commas in between not only this number but also in between these numbers. So what's the what's the general rule? According to our country, you have to put comma after 3 digits starting from the right, and then after every 2 digits. So starting with the first number, what digits I have? 5 2 5 6 5, starting from the extreme right. So where I will put the first comma? 5 2 5. After this one I will put the first comma. Now after having put the first comma, the second comma will come after 2 digits. But you see, after these 2 digits, what are these 2 digits? 6 and 5. Do I have any more digits here? No. So that's why I don't put the second comma over here. Just one comma will be sufficient. And as you can see, after having put the comma, I can easily read it as what? 56,525. If I had not put comma, then confusion would have brewed up. I would not have been able to read it so easily. Now, in the second case, how many digits I have? 2, 3, 2, 9, 5, 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 digits. So, according to our Bangladeshi system, where shall I put the first comma? After 3 digits starting from the right. So, it will be over here. Now, after having put the first comma, I have to put the second comma after 2 digits. So, where it will be? It will be between 6 and 5. And then, again, if I have to put comma, I have to put after 2 digits. But, since there are no digits after 6, so I don't need to put any more commas. So, how, after having put commas, how this number is read? Very easy. So, there are 6,59,232. What about bigger numbers? Say, for instance, this. I have to put the first comma after how many digits? 3. So 5, 2, 8. After 8, I will put the first comma. Then after having put the first comma, where will I put the second comma? After 2 digits. So after 2 and 9, I am putting the second comma. Again, after the second comma, where will I put the third comma? After 2 digits. So after this, 5 and 6. And again, if I have to put commas, I have to put commas after every 2 digits. But after 3, since I have no other digits left in this number, so I will just be content with these 3 digits. And I will just be content with these 3 commas. And these 3 commas are sufficient to enable you to read this number with ease. Say for instance, it's how much? It is 3 crore 65 lakh 92,825. Let's check. Yes, I'm right. 3 crore 65 lakh 92,825. And one thing before I end this video, the system of lakh, nijut, ojut and crore, they are actually exclusively used in Bangladesh. They are not used outside this country. But it is always good to promote one's culture, to promote one's tradition. So that's why I have made this traditional number naming system. And in the next video, I will introduce to the viewers the number naming system that is used internationally, that is used worldwide, involving millions, billions, and so on. So, bye bye for now. See you next time with more mathematics videos.